Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
Hi friends, we're so excited to meet you.
My name's Sophia and this is Lucas. We're the new hosts here.
Yes, we're going to help you learn English together.
I'm from the United States. I love teaching English.
And I'm from Canada. I also love helping people learn.
Lucas and I are friends. We're so happy to be here with you.
We want to make learning English fun and easy for you.
In every video, we'll talk about real-life topics you use every day.
Today, we're talking about daily routines. Your daily routine is what you do every day.
Yes, we all have a daily routine. We wake up, we eat, we work or study.
These are the things you do every day, every single day.
So what's your daily routine? Think about it.
Today, Sophia and I will share our daily routines with you.
And we want to hear about your daily routine too. Write it in the comments below.
Are you ready to learn with us? Let's start with the morning.
Lucas, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. What about you?
I wake up at 7. I'm not a morning person.
That's okay. So I wake up at 6:30, then I brush my teeth.
Brushing your teeth is very important. I brush my teeth too.
After I brush my teeth, I take a shower, a nice hot shower.
Oh, I love hot showers. Do you take a shower every morning?
Yes, every morning. I take a shower every day. It wakes me up.
I understand. The shower wakes you up. It helps you feel awake.
Exactly. What do you do after you wake up, Sophia?
Well, I wake up at 7. First, I check my phone.
Many people check their phone first.
I know. Then I get out of bed, I brush my teeth, and I wash my face.
Washing your face is good. It's refreshing.
Yes, refreshing means it makes you feel fresh and clean.
After my shower, I get dressed. I put on my clothes.
What do you usually wear?
Usually, I wear jeans and a t-shirt. Comfortable clothes.
Me too. I like comfortable clothes. I get dressed after I wash my face.
Friends, what time do you wake up? Do you wake up early or late?
And do you take a shower in the morning or at night? Tell us in the comments. Lucas, let's talk about breakfast now.
Oh, I love breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day. It's very important. So, what do you eat for breakfast, Lucas?
I usually make coffee first. I can't start my day without coffee.
You really love coffee. I drink coffee too.
Then I make breakfast. I usually eat eggs and toast.
Eggs and toast. That's a classic breakfast.
Yes, I make scrambled eggs. Do you know scrambled eggs?
Scrambled eggs are eggs that you mix and cook. They're delicious.
Exactly. I eat scrambled eggs with toast. Sometimes I add cheese.
That sounds good. I eat different things for breakfast.
What do you eat?
I usually eat cereal with milk or sometimes oatmeal.
Oatmeal's healthy. It's good for you.
Yes, it's very healthy. I add fruit to my oatmeal, bananas or berries.
That's a great idea. Fruit is healthy too.
I also drink orange juice every morning, fresh orange juice.
Do you make your orange juice?
No, I buy it from the store. I don't have time to make it.
I understand. Mornings are busy.
Yes, mornings are very busy. I eat breakfast quickly.
Me too. I eat breakfast in about 15 minutes.
Then we're ready to start the day.
What do you eat for breakfast? Do you eat eggs like me?
Or do you eat cereal or maybe something different? Share with us. After breakfast, it's time to work or study.
Right. So, Sophia, what do you do after breakfast?
I start work at 9 a.m. I work from home.
Working from home is nice. You don't need to commute.
Commute means to travel to work. You're right, I don't commute.
I work in an office, so I leave home at 8.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus. The bus ride takes 30 minutes.
30 minutes. That's not too bad.
No, it's okay. I listen to music on the bus.
That's a good idea. Music makes the time go faster.
Yes, I arrive at my office at 8:30, then I start work at 9.
We both start work at the same time.
What do you do for work, Sophia?
I'm a graphic designer. I design websites and logos.
That sounds creative. I work in customer service.
Oh, so you talk to customers all day.
Yes, exactly. I answer their questions, I help them solve problems.
That's important work. Do you take breaks?
Yes, I take a break at 11. I drank more coffee.
More coffee. I take a break too. I usually make tea.
Breaks are important. They help you relax and recharge.
Recharge means to get your energy back, like charging your phone.
Perfect explanation. I take another break at 3.
Me too. I have a snack in the afternoon. Maybe some fruit or nuts.
Healthy snacks are good. They give you energy.
Do you work or study? What do you do during the day?
And what time do you take breaks? Tell us your routine. Now let's talk about the evening. After work, what do you do, Sophia?
After work, I finish work at 5, then I exercise.
You exercise every day? That's great.
Well, I try to exercise every day. Sometimes I'm too tired.
I understand. What kind of exercise do you do?
I do yoga. I love yoga. It helps me relax.
Yoga's wonderful. I should try it.
You should. Do you exercise, Lucas?
I go for a walk after work. I walk for 20 minutes.
Walking is good exercise too, and it's relaxing.
Yes, I walk in the park near my house. It's peaceful.
That sounds nice. After I exercise, I cook dinner.
What do you cook?
Different things. Sometimes pasta, sometimes chicken with vegetables.
I'm not a good cook. I usually order food.
That's okay. Many people order food.
I order food 3 or 4 times a week. It's easier.
I understand. Cooking takes time. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
Me too. I eat dinner around 7 or 7:30.
After dinner, I watch TV or read a book.
I watch TV too. I like to relax in the evening.
What shows do you watch?
I watch comedies mostly. They make me laugh.
Laughter is good. I watch dramas sometimes, or I read.
Reading is a great hobby. What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30. I need 8 hours of sleep.
That's good. I go to bed at 11, sometimes later.
You should sleep more, Lucas.
I know. Before bed, I brush my teeth again.
Yes, brush your teeth twice a day, morning and night.
And then I set my alarm for the morning.
Me too. I set my alarm for 6:45. Then my day starts again.
What do you do in the evening? Do you cook? Do you exercise?
And what time do you go to bed? We'd love to know. Well, friends, that's our daily routine.
We talked about so many things today. Let's review quickly.
In the morning, we wake up, we brush our teeth, we take a shower.
We get dressed, then we eat breakfast.
During the day, we work or study, we take breaks.
In the evening, we exercise, we cook dinner, or order food.
We relax, watch TV, or read books. Then we go to bed.
These activities are part of your daily routine, what you do every day.
Remember these important phrases. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
I start work. I take a break. I go to bed.
Practice these phrases. Use them when you talk about your day.
Now it's your turn. Write your daily routine in the comments.
What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast?
We want to learn about your daily routine. Don't be shy.
And remember, everyone's routine is different. That's okay.
The important thing is that you're practicing English. You're doing great.
Keep watching our videos, keep practicing every day, and don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching today, friends.
We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.